Soon after Bill Chayak votes, Zion Roots. Don't, 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 don't.
Zion Roots, ay, ay, ay. In Jahs Garden the flowers grow, with every seed a future show. Through the herbs, Jah's truth we know. Jahs Garden, let the blessings flow. In Jahs Garden the flowers grow, with every seed a future show. Through the herbs, Jah's truth we know. Jahs Garden, let the blessings flow. Me walk through Jahs Garden, see the fruits so sweet. Every plant grows strong from the earth beneath. The herbs are healing, the flowers are peace. In Jah's creation, our joys increase. Me touch the soil, me soul align. In Jah's Garden, love divine. We rise in unity, we fight the fight. Jahs Garden, guide us through the night. With each step, the world unfold. In Jahs Garden, we never grow old. Me harvest the seeds from the earth so true. In Jahs Garden, we make garden new. The herbs, the fruits, the life inside. With Jah's love, we need not hide. In Jahs Garden, the flowers grow, with every seed a future show. Through the herbs, Jah's truth we know. Jahs Garden, let the blessings flow. In Jahs Garden, the flowers grow, with every seed a future show. Through the herbs, Jah's truth we know. Jahs Garden, let the blessings flow. Me see the people, their faces so bright. Jahs Garden gift, the purest light. In the rhythm of life, in the dance of the sun, we free our soul, we feel so fun. Me give thanks every day for Jah's reign. Through the earth, we end the pain. With Jah by my side, our love combine. Me walk in Jahs Garden, forever divine. In Jahs Garden, we live the truth. Feed the elders and the youth. In the garden of Jah, we're free and whole. In Jahs Garden, we save the soul. Zion Roots, Kingston cushion on the paper. Whoa, whoa, yeah. We free, just set me spirit free. Through the trials of life, we living in unity. We free, with the herbs and the beat. Rasta movement rise, can't nobody defeat. Me walk this earth with the light of Jah. Me feel the fire burning, me no need no law. Me heart liberated, me soul unchained. Jah's land. No Babylon system can crush this sound. In Jah's glory, we truly found. We free, just set me spirit free. Through the trials of life, we living in unity. We free, with the herbs and the beats. Rasta movement rise, can nobody defeat. In Jamaica's breeze, me feel the peace. True Jah's blessings, all pain cease. From the island breeze to the dancehall beat, Rasta army march to the heart's heartbeat. The herbs are flow, the knowledge increase. We stand together in love and peace. From the city street to the countrywide, we free in Jah's love, no need to hide. Through the fire of the heart, the soul awake. No looking back, only forward we make. Through the storm we survive, we see the truth. In Jah's spirit, me feel the youth. Me no need to be told, me no need to be free. Jah's love is the answer for all me to see. We free, just set me spirit free. Through the trials of life, we living in unity. We free, with the herbs and the beat. Rasta movement rise, can nobody defeat. Trust in Jah, we know the way. We rise in the light, we no stray. We walk with Jah, we walk in the truth. We rise with the strength, we stay in the groove. We face the challenge, we face the fight, but we trust in Jah, we walk in the light. We know Jah will guide me through the storm. We know Jah will keep me safe and warm. We chant for the wisdom, we chant for the grace. We rise with Jah, we feel the pace. We trust in Jah, we trust in the flow. We rise with the power, we let the love show. We face the trials, we face the pain, but we trust in Jah, we feel the gain. We rise above the struggle, we rise above the strife. We walk with Jah, we live my life. Jah is me guide, we rise each day. We chant for Jah, we know the way. Jah is me guide, we stay so true. We rise with Jah, we walk the view. We trust in Jah, we trust in the plan. We walk with Jah, we walk as a man. We face the trials, we face the test. We trust in Jah, we know me best. We rise in the storm, we rise in the rain. We trust in Jah, we feel no pain. We walk in the peace, we walk in the light. We know Jah will guide me to the right. We trust in Jah, we trust in the grace. We feel the strength, we feel the pace. We rise with Jah, we rise in the fight. We know Jah will guide me through the night. Jah is me guide, we rise each day. We chant for Jah, we know the way. Jah is me guide, we stay so true. We rise with Jah, we walk the view. We trust in Jah, we feel the peace. We rise with Jah, we never cease. We know Jah is me guide, we rise with pride. We walk with Jah, we feel the right. Babylon's chains try to bind me soul, but me rise up, me take control. Me see the people suffer, me see them fall, but Jah's wisdom call me to stand tall. In every whisper, in every breeze, me hear the voices of the ones who please. Them try to break me, try to steal me light, but me know me power, me know me fight. Me chant the truth, me chant the song. Together we rise, together we strong. Echoes of freedom, echo through the air. Rise from the ashes, we no longer fear. In the name of Jah, we rise with grace. Echoes of freedom, we claim our place. Echoes of freedom from the past to the now. We break the chains, we make a vow. In the light of truth, we see the way. Echoes of freedom, we rise today. Me walk through the darkness, me walk through the lies. Me see the truth in all the people's eyes. Babylon crumble, me see the fall. We rise together, me hear the call. The chains of oppression, we break them down. Together we stand, we take the crown. In every step, me feel the fire. Me rise up, me climb higher. Me feel the strength of the earth below. Me chant the rhythm, me let it flow. From the hills to the valley deep, we rise together, me soul leap. Echoes of freedom, echo through the air. Rise from the ashes, we no longer fear. In the name of Jah, we rise with grace. Echoes of freedom, we claim our place. Echoes of freedom from the past to the now. We break the chains, we make a vow. In the light of truth, we see the way. Echoes of freedom, we rise today. Me hear the voices of the ancestors call, telling me rise, no matter the fall. In the fire, in the rain, me feel the struggle, me feel the pain. But Jah give me vision, Jah give me strength. Me rise up tall, me rise to length. Me see the future, me see the light. Together we fight, together we unite. Echoes of freedom, echo through the air. Rise from the ashes, we no longer fear. In the name of Jah, we rise with grace. Echoes of freedom, we claim our place. Echoes of
Zion roots, Moonberry in my pocket. Yeah man. On the mountain peak where the silence sing, behold Jah herb, feel the spirit within. The cool breeze whisper the ancient truth. Herb in me and the eternal root. Me gaze upon the stars, Jah guide and shine. Every puff a journey to the divine. The chalice blaze in the sacred glow. Mountain herb prayer make the blessings flow. Oh Jah, hear me champ on high with the herb in and under Zion sky. Mountain prayer rise, make the spirit free. Sacred herb chant for eternity. The elders gather with wisdom wise. The herb make the soul reach Jah's skies. The mountain hold the secret of time. Every leaf a key to the holy rhyme. Them try to destroy, but Jah herb grow. Through the hardest ground, the roots still show. Babylon can't stop what Jah create. The herb make the humble elevate. Pass the chalice round, make the fire light. Herb meditation in the heart of night. The mountain echo the holy refrain. Herb chant make the wicked restrain. Oh Jah, hear me chant pon high with the herb in and under Zion sky. Mountain prayer rise, make the spirit free. Sacred herb chant for eternity. Forever me climb the heights unseen. Mountain herb prayer keep me spirit clean. Jah guide my path with the sacred flame. Forever chanting Jah holy names.
Zion roots. Me hear the whispers in the morning breeze. The earth a call we, me feel the ease. The mountains a speak, the rivers a sigh. Me feel the spirit of the earth, me can't deny. Them try to silence we, but we rise again. Inna the roots we find the strength to ascend. Me walk with Jah, me walk with truth. Me hear the echoes of the ancient youth. The trees them sway, the sky turn red. Me look to the heavens, me see what's ahead. The fire burn, the lightning strike. Me follow the rhythm of the earth's delight. Echoes of the earth call me home in the rhythm of life. We never alone, the wind a blow, the sound so deep. Me hear the echoes, my soul can't sleep. Echoes of the earth, strong and pure. The love of Jah, my spirit endure. Me hear the whispers, me feel the flame. Echoes of the earth, we call Jah's name. Me feel the soil beneath my feet. Me chant the rhythm, me heart beat sweet. Inna the struggle, me find my peace. From the earth, me find release. Me walk through the valleys, me walk through the rain. But the earth guide me, me feel no pain. Me see the future, me see the past. Inna the echoes, my soul will last. The stars are shine, the moon so bright. We rise together, we stand for the light. Me know my purpose, me know my way. Me listen to the earth, me hear what she say. Echoes of the earth call me home in the rhythm of life. We never alone, the wind a blow, the sound so deep. Me hear the echoes, my soul can't sleep. Echoes of the earth, strong and pure. The love of Jah, my spirit endure. Me hear the whispers, me feel the flame. Echoes of the earth, we call Jah's name. Me feel the heartbeat of the world a pound. Me hear the echoes all around. The earth speak truth, me can't deny. In her rhythm, we learn to fly. Them try to bind we, them try to chain. But the earth free we from the pain. In every tree, in every leaf, me find my solace, me find my relief. Me see the truth in the earth's eyes. The system a crumble, we rise to the skies. The earth a guide, the earth a friend. With every echo, my soul transcend. Echoes of the earth. Zion roots. Me feel the earth beneath my feet. Me roots run deep, me feel the heat. Me chant for the strength, me chant for the sound. Me know Jah's power, me stand on the ground. Me rise with the rhythm, me rise with the trees. Me feel the power in the warm breeze. Me trust in the earth, me trust in the sky. Me chant for the peace, me chant for the why. Me know the struggle, me know the pain. Me rise above the stress and the strain. Me chant for the peace, me chant for the love. Me know Jah guides me from above. Me face the challenges, me face the fight. But me trust in Jah, me walk in the light. Me rise in the earth, me rise in the heat. Me feel Jah's blessings, me feel complete. Roots of the earth, me rise so high. Me feel the power, me touch the sky. Roots of the earth, me know the truth. Me walk with Jah, me stay in the youth. Me face the trials, me face the test. But me trust in Jah, me know me best. We rise from the roots, we rise from the soil. We trust in Jah, we stay loyal. We chant for the wisdom, we chant for the truth. We walk with Jah, we rise in the youth. We face the struggles, we face the pain, but we rise with Jah, we feel the gain. We rise from the roots, we rise from the seed. We trust in Jah, we trust in the need. We face the storm, we face the rain, but we rise above, we feel the gain. Roots of the earth, we rise so high. We feel the power, we touch the sky. Roots of the earth, we know the truth. We walk with Jah, we stay in the youth. We rise from the roots, we rise from the soil. We trust in Jah, we stay loyal. We walk in the earth, we feel the peace. We rise with Jah, we feel the release. Zion roots, aye, aye, aye. Afghan hash smoke. Yeah, man. Me lion's heart, bold and true. Rasta power, make the old new. From the struggle, we rise with might. With Jah's love, we ignite the fight. Me lion's heart, bold and true. Rasta power, make the old new. From the struggle, we rise with might. With Jah's love, we ignite the fight. The lion roars in the valley, strong and loud. In Jah's guidance, we stand so proud. Me heart full of fire, the vision clear. Rasta teachings near, Babylon we fear. From the trenches of Kingston to the hills of the east, me lion heart never cease, never feast. Jah's wisdom me carry, me soul unbreakable. Like the lion's roar, me power unshakable. With each burn, we cleanse the soul. We honor the path as the stories unfold. Through the pain, the lion rise. With wisdom and truth, me reach the skies. Through Jah's fire, me grow the roots. Lion's heart, truth never dilute. Lion's heart, bold and true. Rasta power, make the old new. From the struggle, we rise with might. With Jah's love, we ignite the fight. Me lion's heart, bold and true. Rasta power, make the old new. From the struggle, we rise with might. With Jah's love, we ignite the fight. Me lion heart, beating through the sound. We move with power, no fear to be found. Through Jah's strength, me break the chains, make with spirit rise. Free from the pain, the earth, my brethren, we no play. We rise in the sun and praise the way. Me heart pure, like the fire burn for Jah's love. We always return the lion heart. In Jah we trust, in Jah's guidance, we never rust. Forever we chant, lion strength to reclaim. Me lion heart, forever remain. Lion's heart, bold and true. Rasta power, make the old new. From the struggle, we rise with might. With Jah's love, we ignite the fight. Me lion's heart, bold and true. Rasta power, make the old new. From the struggle, we rise with might. With Jah's love, we ignite the fight. try to hold me down in chains, but me rise above the pain. Me see the system built for fail. The youth them lost, the rich prevail. The leaders lie, the people cry. Me see the tears up in them eye, but me nah go bow, me stand up firm. The fire blaze, the tables turn. Me chat the sound, me trod the road. The rebel spirit never cold. Rebel spirit, unchained and free. Me live for truth, me live for be. The system weak, the righteous strong. Me chant, me song, me trod along. Me ancestors fight, me feel them pain. Them blood still flow like jungle rain. But me rise up firm, me break the chain. We hold the faith, we feel no shame. We call upon Jah, we bundle lies. We see the truth within we eyes. No more war, no more hate. Jah Jah open Zion gate. Whoa, the time is now, the world must see. The righteous ones will set we free. We hold the banner, wave it high. We can't be stopped, we touch the sky. The revolution start today. We light the fire, clear the way. We stand up strong, we march as one. We not go stop till justice done. Whoa, the lion roar, the thunder clash. The wicked heart, them turn to ash. We hold the truth, we make it shine. The righteous rule for all of time. The lion roar, my spirit wild. From birth me bless me Jah Jah child. Them try to hold me down in chains, but me rise above the pain. Me light up the earth, me feel the vibes. Me rise with Jah, me open the skies. Me take a breath, me feel so free. Me know Jah's power, me feel the glee. Me walk through the day, me walk through the night. Me rise with the rhythm, me stay in the light. Me chant for the herb, me chant for the trees. Me feel the healing, me feel the breeze. The smoke in the air, me let it rise. Me feel the energy, me open me eyes. Me no stress, me no worry about tomorrow. Me live in the moment, me no feel sorrow. Me face the world with a smile on me face. Me rise with the herbs, me feel the grace. Me trust in Jah, me trust in the flow. Me rise with the rhythm, me let it go. Herb in the air, me rise so high. Me feel the power, me touch the sky. Herb in the air, me feel the breeze. Me rise with Jah, me let the love peace. Me step in the garden, me see the green. Me know the herb is a healing scene. Me take a puff, me feel the peace. Me trust in Jah, me feel the release. Me no worry about the stress or the pain. Me rise with Jah, me feel no strain. Me light up the herb, me let it burn. Me trust in Jah, me wait, me turn. Me know the power of the herb and the tree. Me feel the strength, me feel the free. Me let the smoke rise, me feel the calm. Me chant for Jah, me rise with the palm. Herb in the air, me rise so high. Me feel the power, me touch the sky. Herb in the air, me feel the breeze. Me rise with Jah, me let the love ease. Me feel the herb in the air, so sweet. Me rise with Jah, me stay complete. Me light the herb, me feel the sound. Me walk with Jah, me stay round. So right, me step with Jah, me step with pride. Me trust in the rhythm, me no need to hide. Me walking at the morning, the sun on me face. Me follow the path, me set me place. Me chant for Jah, me chant for the road. Me walk with Jah, me know me load. Me know me mission, me know me goal. Me walk with Jah, me feel the soul. Me rising at the struggle, me rising at the heat. Me face every challenge, me never defeat. The journey long, but me walk in the truth. Me trust in the wisdom, me trust the youth. Me walk with the elders, me hear the sound. Me follow Jah, me stay the ground. Journey of the spirit, me rise so high. Me walk with Jah, me touch the sky. Journey of the spirit, me find me way. Me walk with Jah, me live the day. Me step through the fire, me step through the flame. Me face every trial, me call Jah's name. Me chant for the courage, me chant for the strength. Me rise with Jah, me go the length. Me trust in the rhythm, me trust in the beat. Me walk with Jah, me stay on the streets. Me know the power of the herbs and the tree. Me rise in the morning, me feel so free. Me no look back, me no look ahead. Me live in the know, me know me stead. Me trust in the vision, me trust in the flow. Me walk with Jah, me let the rhythm grow. Me face the pressure, me face the strain. But me trust in Jah, me feel the game. Me rise above the darkness, me rise above the fight. Me walk with Jah, me stay in the light. Journey of the spirit, me rise so high. Me walk with Jah, me touch the sky. Journey of the spirit, me find me way. Me walk with Jah, me live the day. Me journey continue, me stay in the flow. Me walk with Jah, me let the love show. Me rise in the spirit, me rise in the truth. Me walk with Jah, me know the youth. Yeah, man. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. feel the sound. Me rise with the rhythm, me stand the ground. Me no worry about the future, me no look back. Me living at the moment, me on the track. Me rise from the struggle, me rise from the pain. Me chant for the peace, me chant for the rain. Me walk in a Jah light, me walk in the truth. Me stay in the moment, me stay in the groove. Me face the obstacles, me face the strife. But me trust in Jah, me live me life. Me know me destiny, me know me fate. Me live in the moment, me never wait. Me rise with Jah, me rise with the sun. Me trust in the journey, me know the run. Me live in the now, me trust the day. Me walk with Jah, me no stray. In the moment, me feel the light. Me rise with Jah, me feel so right. In the moment, me chant the sound. Me know me power, me stand the ground. Stepping out the moment, me rise in the flow. Me feel the rhythm, me let it grow. Me trust in Jah, me trust in the beat. Me stay in the moment, me feel complete. Me walk with Jah, me walk with the faith. Me no look back, me rise in the grace. Me know me purpose, me know me path. Me live in the moment, me no go aft. Me face the challenges, me face the test. But me rise above, me know me best. Me chant for the love, me chant for the peace. Me trust in Jah, me feel the release. In the moment, me feel the light. Me rise with Jah, me feel so right. In the moment, me chant the sound. Me know me power, me stand me ground. Me live in the moment, me rise above. Me chant for Jah, me feel the love. Me step in the moment, me step with pride. Me walk with Jah, me feel the guide. Struggle, we born in the fire, but we rise up higher with hearts full of desire. The system try lock we down, put we in chains, but we break through the walls, no matter the pains. Me ancestors guide me with wisdom so pure. They say stand tall, me child, my promise is sure. Me see the lies, me feel the betrayal, but we rise from the ashes, we break the veil. We walk through the storm, through the darkest night. With the strength of Jah, we step in the light. Me feel the power, me feel the call. We rise as one, we answer the fall. We rise from the ashes, we rise with the flame. No matter the trials, we call Jah's name. In every struggle, in every fight, we rise together, we stand in the light. We rise from the ashes, we rise up tall. We rise with the truth, we rise from the fall. In the fire, me spirit born. We rise from the ashes, me soul reborn. The world had turned, but we stay grounded in the truth of Jah. We've been surrounded. Them build them lies, but we see the cracks in the heart of the system. It all fall back. Me not bow to the fake crown, the golden lies. Me rise with the truth, me reach for the skies. Me spirit a warrior, me mind is clear. Me stand tall, me not show no fear. Them try fi break we, them try fi control, but we rise again with a stronger soul. From the ashes, we break through the chains. We rise in the light, we stand for the change. We rise from the ashes, we rise with the flame. No matter the trials, we call Jah's name. In every struggle, in every fight, we rise together, we stand in the light. We rise from the ashes, we rise up tall. We rise with the truth, we rise from the fall. In the fire, the spirit born. We rise from the ashes, my soul reborn. Me feel the power in every breath. We rise above the fear of death. Me see the light, me feel the truth. We rise as one, we bring the youth. The fire burn but we never fade. In the ashes we find the trade. Me feel the love, me feel the might. We rise from the ashes, we step in the light. We fight for peace, we fight for unity. In the struggle, we find immunity. Me see the power in the people. Zion echoes, Cali Kush smoke. Me like the spliff, me feel the breeze. Me puff the herb, me live with ease. Me watch the smoke rise slow and high. Me feel the rhythm, me touch the sky. Purple haze, the best in town. Me pass the spliff, me never frown. Inhale the bliss, me feel the peace. Me puff the ganja, me soul release. The sunset low, the moon a shine. Me inna the zone, me sip the wine. The herb a the cure, me soul it heal. Me puff the weed, me feel the real. Every drag, me see the light. Me feel the calm, me feel the might. We inna the garden, the flowers grow. Me take the puff, the vibes a flow. Me smoke, me feel, me rise above. Me puff the herb, me feel the love. Jah guide me steps, me heart stay true. Me smoke the weed, me feel the you. We puff the sweet, we puff the strong. Inna the rhythm, we sing the song. Lemon kush, the flavor so nice. Me roll the spliff, me pay the price. Me step on the street, me feel so blessed. The herb for the soul, me never stress. Every drug a meditation for the mind. Me puff the ganja, me leave it behind. Me a the fire, me are the flame. Me puff the herb, me never tame. Herb a me guide, me soul it free. Me take a puff, me let it be. Me smoke, me feel, me rise above. Me puff the herb, me feel the love. Jah guide me steps, me heart stay true. Me smoke the weed, me feel the hue. Me light the spliff, me feel the way. Me puff the herb, me face the day. Herb is me friend, me rise in the light. Me smoke the weed, me live the fight.
The shadows where the herb them grow. Rasta man walk, the mystic flow. Guided by Jah, the fire low. The secret of the earth, we comfy know. Long time me hear about the Ganja King. Him walk the hills, the truth him bring. With the chalice blaze and a sacred string. Enchant the psalms and heal the pain. Them say him find the holy grail. A herb so pure Babylon can't prevail. With lamb's bread lighting up the pot. They make the wicked tremble. Jah laugh. Ganja Mystic, the wisdom divine. Smoke rise high, Jah open the sign. On the journey we seek and find. Truth and fire, the world align. Babylon sent soldier fi hunt him down, but the mystic vanish. Him can't be found. Him said the herb belong for the humble and meek. The healing of the nations, Jah words I speak. We burn the colonist in the sacred grove. The ganja light the way, Jah love we prove. From hilltop high to the valley low, Rasta chant, the herbs still grow. Them try to criminalize Jah plan, but Jah wisdom higher than mortal man. Herb are the teacher, the healer true. With every draw, Jah blessings renew. So like the chalice, the smoke can't hide. The mystic vision, Jah spirit guide. Forever Rasta, forever free. The herb will blaze for eternity. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, oh, oh. So like the chalice, the smoke can't hide. The mystic vision, Jah spirit guide. Forever Rasta, forever free. The herb will blaze for eternity. Yeah, man. Me know my strength, me know me power. Me rise with Jah, me rise each hour. Me face the battles, me face the war, but me stand firm. Me rise and roar. Me walk with the rhythm, me walk with the song. Me know me purpose, me know me strong. Me chant for the courage, me chant for the fight. Me know me warrior, me know me right. Me face the struggle, me face the pain, but me rise each day, me no complain. Me rise above the darkness, me rise above the strain. Me chant for Jah, me know the game. Me trust in Jah, me trust in the way. Me rise with Jah each and every day. Me walk with the strength, me walk in the light. Me know me warrior, me know me fight. I am a warrior, me rise above. Me chant for Jah, me feel the love. I'm a warrior, me know me way. Me rise with Jah, me chant the day. Me rise with the strength of my soul. Me face the storm, me take control. Me no back down, me stand for Jah. Me know me power, me rise so far. Me face the pressure, me face the strain, but me no falter, me no complain. Me walk with the faith, me walk with the truth. Me rise as a warrior, me feel the proof. Me face the trials, me face the test, but me trust in Jah, me know me best. Me rise from the ashes, me rise from the fire. Me chant for Jah, me never tire. I am a warrior, me rise above. Me chant for Jah, me feel the love. I'm a warrior, me know me way. Me rise with Jah, me chant the day. dedicate my man. Me step out in the morning light. Me see the world, me feel so right. Me roots run deep, them in the earth. Me know me culture, me know me words. Me chant for the ones who stand tall. Me rise with Jah, me feel the call. The journey long, the road no straight, but me trust Jah, me know me fate. Me walk with the rhythm, me chant for the peace. Me keep my culture, me never cease. The sun arise, me feel the warmth. Me know Jah will guide me from harm. Me trust the message, me trust the sound. Me stay grounded, me stay around. Me feel the power, me feel the strength. Me rise with Jah, me go the length. Roots and culture, me rise above. Me chant for Jah, me feel the love. Roots and culture, me stay so true. Me rise with Jah, me walk the view. Me face the struggle, me face the fight, but me rise in the day, me rise in the night. Me roots are guide me, me roots are stay. Me keep my culture each and every day. Me chant for the wisdom, me chant for the light. Me trust in Jah, me walk in the right. Me know the power of the herbs and the trees. Me feel the rhythm, me feel the breeze. Me rise above the darkness, me rise above the pain. Me roots are stay, me can't complain. Me walk with Jah, me walk with the truth. Me rise with the culture, me stay in the groove. Roots and culture, me rise above. Me chant for Jah, me feel the love. Roots and culture, me stay so true. Me rise with Jah, me walk the view. My roots are strong, my roots are deep. Me chant for Jah, me nah lose sleep. Me rise with the culture, me rise with the song. Me walk with Jah, me know the road long. Me rise from the struggle, me rise from the pain. My roots are guide me, me know me gain. Me keep my culture, me keep the sound. Me chant for Jah, me stand on the ground. Me feel the power in my soul. My roots are guide me, me feel the whole. Me chant for the peace, me chant for the love. Me know my culture, I rise above. Me rise with Jah, me rise in the light. Me chant for the culture, me chant for the right. Me stay true to the rhythm, me stay true to the song. Me know the journey, me know the strong roots. Zion Road. Me walk through storm with bare me feet. The wind a howl, but me soul stay sweet. Babylon throw them fire and smoke, but me stand tall, me nah get broke. Me hear me granny voice in breeze. She says stand firm like ancient trees. The ground beneath still strong and wide, and every root nowhere fi hide. Them try fi blind we with glitter and show, but me see clear like rivers flow. Them promise riches, them offer gold. Me take me drum and truth me whole. Me nah need crown, me nah need throne. Me have me herb, me chant alone. Me words no bend, me words no sell. Me chant them down like judgment bell. Roots know the way through fire and rain, through system lies and people pain. When all fall round, we still a grow, cause roots know the way Jah people go. Deep in the earth we strong, we stay true. Every night we find the day. So Babylon tremble when we sway, cause roots know the way, roots know the way. Me remember times when me heart did bleed. Me cry to Jah, me plant me seed. Now me tree rise up from clay. Me leaves reach out, me branches pray. Them try cut we from we land, try take we name, we holy stand. But me see truth in morning dew. The past still live, the old still new. Them build them city
it on stolen ground. Them drown out love with money sound. But earth remember every scar and heal we slowly from afar. Me nah stay silent, me nah stay small. Me chant for those, them silence all. From every hilltop, me voice a burn. Fi wake them you too soon return. Roots know the way through fire and rain, through system lies and people pain. When all fall round, we still a grow, cause roots know the way Jah people go. Deep in the earth, we strong, we stay through every night. We find the day, so Babylon tremble when we sway, cause roots know the way, roots know the way. Divine nah rush, the leaf nah stress. Them grow with patience, Jah will bless. And every rhythm and every tone, a message from the roots alone. Them can't erase, we history, we bloodline chant in harmony. Me walk with drum, me chant the flame. The roots remember every name. So take me hand and feel the sound of earth that live, not break down. We rise from pain, we rise from clay. With Jah in.
So when it goes, yeah man, Babylon never sleep. Can't take my vibes. So last year I bless the youths, shooting, yeah.
Roots for the youths, the fire have a blaze. Inna the system, we not go change we ways. Push on the table, me meditate for days. Jah guide me path, me not stray from his ways. Light up the chalice, me say bubble up the smoke. Rhythm inna me heart, Jah give me the hope. Me nah bow down to the wicked we provoke. Stand firm on the rock, make the pagans choke. Them want feel lock me up, feed the grade when me grow. Blue dream, purple haze and the cali gold glow. Me say plant the seed, watch the love overflow. From the roots to the sky, make the blessings we show. Roots for the youths, the fire have a blaze. Inna the system, we not go change we ways. Push on the table, me meditate for days. Jah guide me path, me not stray from his ways. Babylon a scheme, them can't break the chain. Me trot on the earth, me no fear them pain. Ghetto youths rise up, make the lion reign. With a spliff inna me and me have to heal me brain. Roll up the OG, the high grade strong. Play a Alba Rosie, boss a conscious song. Them can't take me spirit, me chant all day long. Rasta inna me soul, me roots ever strong. Them a fight with culture, them can't stop the love. Jah blessings rain down from the heavens above. With me herbs inna me palm, me chant for the peace. Every ghetto youth rise, make the struggle be cease. Roots for the youths, the fire have a blaze. Inna the system, we not go change we ways. Push on the table, me meditate for days. Jah guide me path, me not stray from his ways. Selassie I bless, me say chant it loud. Rasta nah bow, we a trod it proud. Me say bun Babylon, we cloud the crowd. Jah light the way, we have to move like whoa. Change we ways, push on the table, me meditate for days. Jah guide me path, me not stray from his ways. Roots for the youths, the fire have a blaze. Inna the system, we not go change we ways. Push on the table, me meditate for days. Jah guide me path, me not stray from his ways. Them try fi own. Me spirit wild, me skin like stone. Me eye them sharp like eagle flight. Me heart na bow, me soul na fright. The chains invisible but me feel them take the truth and hide the real. Me say them smile but me hear them plot. Me roots too deep, me soul too hot. The moonlight talk, the mountain one. We brethren rise, fi Zion born. So me na inna games, me na inna hype. Me chant truth like ancient type. Them track we move, them set them net. But me not trapped in no regret. Me plant me word, me chant it loud. Me rise from dust like thunder cloud. Iron on me soul, fire on me chest. Me not get weak, even under stress. Babylon crumble, we stand strong still. With Jah as me guide, me bend no will. Iron on me soul, rooted and bold. Me chant for freedom, me nah get soul. From hills of Zion to valley floor. Me knock them gates, me break them door. Me ancestors whisper every night. Them say hold firm, keep the fight. So me chant from rooftop, chant from street. Me voice carry where system cheat. The lies them deep, but me mind deeper. Me know them code, me know them keeper. Me burn them scroll, me rewrite fate. Me bring the dawn, me never late. The world confused with fake and flash. Them soul get lost in click and cash. But me a rebel with higher sight. Me follow stars through darkest night. Me talk to the trees, the wind me friend. Them say this cycle soon fi end. So me prepare like warrior wise. Me spirit sharpen under just skies. Iron on me soul, fire on me chest. Me nah get weak, even under stress. Babylon crumble, we stand strong still. With Jah as me guide, me bend no will. Iron on me soul, rooted and bold. Me chant for freedom, me nah get soul. From hills of Zion to valley floor. Me knock them gates, me break them door. Them build tower, me build hope. Them push poison, me push scope. Me teach the youth how to read the sign. Me give